Hello everyone that's missing Domino's. I'm here to teach you how to end your pizza cravings with a homemade pizza dough recipe. You're going to start off by adding one 7-gram sachet of yeast into 375 milliliters of warm water, along with 2 pinches of sugar, and then letting it activate for 5 minutes. In this recipe I'm using plain flour because white bread flour is as rare as dough right now, so grab 600 grams of that and add a teaspoon of salt. Once your yeast is finished foaming and bubbling, pour 60 milliliters of olive oil into the same jug and then slowly pour into your flour. Then go ahead and start whisking that together. It won't take long for it to become a sticky dough and you'll have to get your hands involved. So here comes the main event, the kneading. Now I'm no Paul Hollywood, but I do know a thing or two about this skill. It involves a lot of arm work, so if you're looking for a good bicep pump, then this is all you need. It's really easy once you get the hang of the motion, so using the ball of your hand you want to dig into the dough and stretch away from you. Then pick up the end of the dough and fold it back in on itself to trap some air to create a light and fluffy dough. And then repeat for roughly 10 minutes. Yep, 10 minutes. So as you can see here, when we first started kneading our dough, it's still very sticky and it doesn't spring back much. However, after a little bit more kneading, boom, it springs back and doesn't get stuck to my finger. That means it's ready. Go ahead and drop it into a bowl, cover with cling film, give it a good night kiss, and then let it prove for 30 minutes or until it roughly doubles in size. Proving is an essential step in bread making because it encourages the yeast to multiply, resulting in a light loaf. I mean, come on, it's beautiful. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and dust your work surface. Then you can roll the dough into a sausage and cut into 4 equal sized pieces for medium pizzas or 2 for New Yorkers. It's completely up to you. You're also going to need a baking tray. I just happen to have a pizza one lying around, but you can just use a regular one if you don't have one of these. Rolling out the dough is easy peasy. Just roll and rotate, roll and rotate, roll and rotate. You get the gist. Transfer it to your baking tray and then prick the base with a fork to ensure it bakes evenly. You can actually go ahead and just put your toppings on now and bake. However, I decided to part bake it for 10 to 15 minutes because I was prepping ahead of time. Now for the best part, the toppings. I'm actually a vegan, #SaveTheTurtles, so I'm going to be using passata, corn chicken strips, onions, peppers, and mushrooms, and then barbecue sauce because it's the best on pizza. And there you have it, your very own homemade pizza. Thank you for watching guys, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.